This video is brought to you by Osmocote, the Planters plant food.
Hey, I'm Marianne Binetti, and I'm trying to deadhead these flowers. But no, these are glass flowers made from recycled dishes, and you don't have to deadhead or remove the faded blooms. But let's leave my front porch, come over here to where my flowers are growing, and I want to show you some flowers that you do need to deadhead. Now, it's not the petunias. A lot of the new petunias that are available now, faded flowers will fall off on their own. What it is this plant right here. This is a salvia, and it has this tall stem coming up. But I'm going to get in here, even though there's flowers left, I'm going to cut off this tall stem right in there. Okay, what that does, it means these two buds on the side are going to branch out. Let's go over here. I'm going to show you how it's going to look. So, you can see right here, this is one that I deadheaded just a week or so ago, and now it's sprouted these, so this salvia or sage, this white sage, will get nice and bushy and full. So, I'm going to go around with my pruners, and I'm going to be deadheading anything that is tall, that has a spent blossom that's spiky. Get in there and cut it out. That will force the side shoots to grow. This has been Marianne Binetti with easy answers for great gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.